In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kajabi affiliate link step by step. To get started, head over to Kajabi and sign in to your partner account. Make sure you're logging into the partner program area, not just a standard user dashboard, because your affiliate tools are located inside the partner section. Once you've entered your account credentials and signed in successfully, you'll be taken to your partner dashboard. From there, look for the area labeled referrals or affiliate links. This is the section where Kajabi stores your personal referral tracking link. If you're a confirmed or approved partner, Kajabi usually generates this link automatically, so in most cases you won't need to build one manually from scratch. Instead, you're simply locating the unique link that has already been assigned to your account. When you find it, you'll notice that the link includes a unique tracking code connected to your partner profile. That tracking code is what allows Kajabi to attribute clicks, referrals, and commissions back to you. This is why it's important to always use your exact partner link rather than sending people to the regular homepage without tracking. Next, copy your affiliate link. If Kajabi gives you a copy link button, you can use that for convenience. If not, just highlight the full referral URL and copy it manually. It's a good idea to save this link somewhere easy to access later, especially if you plan to use it often in content, promotions, or campaigns. Before you start sharing the link, test it. Open a private or incognito browser window, paste in your affiliate link, and load the page. You want to confirm that it redirects properly to Kajabi and that the page opens without any issues. This quick test helps make sure everything is working correctly and gives you confidence that your referrals can be tracked as expected. Once you've verified the link, you can begin adding it to your content. Common places to use it include YouTube video descriptions, blog posts, email newsletters, Facebook posts, LinkedIn articles, Instagram bio links, and tutorial or review content. Keep your wording simple and natural, such as inviting viewers or readers to get started with Kajabi using your link. After that, return to your partner dashboard regularly to track your performance. Kajabi lets you monitor important metrics like link clicks, referrals, conversions, and commission earnings. Reviewing this data can help you understand which types of content are performing best. Finally, take advantage of Kajabi's marketing assets if they're available in your partner area.